Running. Okay, thank you. Emergency. Monty Dobe welcomes the emergency.
Yep. We just went through state of emergency, my baby.
Have to check in, or have to check in, yeah?
Gotta see what's up. Come to Jamaica, you feel me? State of emergency, it's real out here. You know what I'm saying? But I feel it, I like it. Cause you can't look around. Now I'm on my way to the airport, yeah. Heading back over to LA. But you know, I'm gonna be back. You know what I'm saying? And look out for that change coming. This month, it's dropping before the end of first quarter, so get ready. Turn that into right side that music. You already know. Why not?
Bye-bye now.
What?